Hey y'all, hope you had a Merry Christmas. I know it's been a bit since I made any videos, but today's a good day because I finally got back the rotating assembly. I had the crank balanced and polished, the journals there. Pull that as you see it. Looks really good. I had the pistons balanced. It looks money. Look at that. The rods balanced and the wrist pins honed. One cool thing about this crank is it is the MP crank, 69 millimeter counterbalance crank, and the machine shop, Shacklets, they said it was pretty close to perfectly balanced out of the box. So if you're looking for a new crank, it might be good to go with one of those, other than a polish on the journals there. So that's the crank. Here's the 4 pistons. They balance all of them. You can see right in the center there where they took some weight out. They even scribed on which cylinder they came out on each one, so that's pretty cool. Throw it like that. Like this one's number 3, and that's where they took some weight out, right there in the bottom there. So throw it like that. They all need a little weight taken out, so that just kind of confirms that the previous builder, he didn't, which I thought was the case, he didn't balance anything. So there's more weight taken out there. So that's those. I haven't looked at the rods yet, so we're gonna find out together. Here's the rods. These things look so much nicer. They're brand new compared to these terrible bearings there, but they'll all be replaced with they're bored for standard, so they'll have a set of standard bearings in it. There's all 4 of those. And then before, I don't know if I had the video of it, but these would like barely move through here, and now they're just super nice and loose instead of binding up, so it's really nice. So they honed all 4 of the wrist pins, and nice and smooth. Yeah. Can't really tell if they had to take any weight off of these or not. The top looks a lot smoother than the bottom, so they might have shaved the weight off just the ends. At least on this one. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, whenever you balance connecting rod, generally they'll grind down the top whenever they weigh it, because it has like the easy way to do it, like at your house, is you have like a pen holding it, and then one end will drop on a scale and you'll weigh it, and then you do it the other way and weigh it, and then you grind it to match on the top and bottom. But who knows, there's probably 1,000 ways to do it, but that's just the way I've seen done. Actually, looks like they might have ground it on the sides, because those looking nice and new. Yeah, they shaved some off there. It's interesting. So that's that. So there's the whole rotating assembly. No. I figured I'd just go through the rest of this stuff with this video. So that's connecting rods and pistons on the crankshaft. Next part is this brand new Scat C45 camshaft. So that'll be nice. Even came with some engine assembly grease. Check that out, it's cool. Alright, then you got this is from Scat too. It's their aluminum cam gear. There's some hardware in here, and then this is just the cam card. Whole new set of lifters, because the other ones were pretty rough. And then brand new oil pump to match. So that's pretty cool. This whole box came from a kit, and a kit directly from Scat that just came with their oil pump, well, with their camshaft. So it's the lifters and the oil pump. It's a 26mm oil pump, I believe. But they claim it's perfect for this setup, so that's what we got. It's a whole gasket set for everything. Push rod tubes, oil, pump, valve cap, valve gaskets, rear main seal, a bunch of the other ones. There's a bolt kit. These are case savers for that empty engine case. These, I think these are dowels. Yeah, these are the dowels for the main bearings. Got these from Dune Buggy Warehouse. Pretty cool. Got this little flyer for, I guess, a car show in November that has already happened, so never mind that, but it's still cool. A little drawing on there. And sticker. Got a lot of the stickers. That's actually what I buy all the parts for. I just want the stickers. Not really in for the car parts. New set of, these are standard set of main bearings. I haven't even opened this box apparently. These are new rod bearings, and these are the new cam bearings. More case savers. This is these are straight cut gear set. So I gotta find out if I can run an aluminum cam gear with a steel crank gear. So we'll see. I might just get both. Or I might just get this instead of the other one. Here's another rear main seal, because I didn't think I had one. So I bought another one. And these are the new piston liners, or jugs, whatever. New set of these too, because if you saw on the old ones, the other one looked like jacked up. These have hyperuritic pistons in it. I don't even know if I said that right. It's such a weird word. But I'll be putting in the other pistons. They're forged flat top Molly pistons, the ones that the machine shop balanced for me. I think that's it, other than, what's this? Oh, yeah, I think that's it, other than it'll be getting a dual set of Weber 48s carbs, an external oil filter. It'll have Brazilian Geo3 heads, I think, or Geo2. So they're like 39mm by 44 or something. Pretty big aluminum head. Yeah, and then the 4-in-1 merge pipe MagnaFlow kit thing. So yeah, so there's that. We'll get this thing together here soon.